Hi, Andy from Resch Enterprises. Want to introduce our new large wall anchor plate. Here's our old wall anchor plate, 12 by 22 inches with a 4x4 nut holding flat plate. The new plate now is 12 by 42 inches. Difference being, this one covers, if it's installed in the middle of the block, covers 3 courses of block. The new plate will cover 7 courses of block. And right here in the middle, instead of the 4x4 plate, we have a 4x10 plate, which captures 3 courses of block where the load on the wall is the strongest, greatly strengthening the holding of the plate. And this one is still great for poured walls and basement block walls where you don't have as much bowing. So introducing the new plate, and hope you check it out. Feel free to give us a call, 1-800-831-2559, or our website, www.reschenterprises.com.